Have you heard about the Chamoy Pickle Kit craze? It's everywhere. Social media is bursting with vibrant colors and satisfying crunches. People are going wild for these kits. Of course, I had to try one myself. I was intrigued. What was all the fuss about? Spicy, sweet, sour, and crunchy. These kits promised a flavor explosion, and I was ready to dive in. The Chamoy Pickle Kit arrived in a cheerful package. Inside, a world of flavor awaited. First, there were the pickles. These weren't your average dill pickles. These were plump, juicy, and ready for a flavor transformation. Then came the star of the show, the chamoy sauce. This tangy, spicy, and slightly sweet sauce is a staple in Mexican cuisine. The kit also included chili powder for an extra kick, and for a touch of sweetness and tang, there were lime wedges and tamarind candy. Assembling the Chamoy Pickle Kit is part of the fun. It's like creating your own flavor symphony. First, you take a pickle and give it a generous coating of that glorious chamoy sauce. Then you sprinkle on some chili powder for an added layer of heat. Next, you squeeze a lime wedge over the pickle. The citrusy burst balances out the spice and adds a refreshing touch. Finally, for a sweet and tangy finish, you wrap a piece of tamarind candy around the pickle. I took a deep breath and went for it. The first bite was an explosion of sensations. The tangy chamoy sauce hit my taste buds first. Then came the heat from the chili powder, building slowly but surely. The lime juice provided a refreshing contrast, cutting through the richness, and the tamarind candy added a sweet and tangy note that lingered on my palate. The crunch of the pickle brought it all together. It was a symphony of flavors and textures. Section 5, Chamoy, a taste of Mexican heritage. Chamoy is more than just a sauce. It's a symbol of Mexican culinary heritage. Made from pickled fruit, chamoy represents a long tradition of preserving and transforming flavors. Its origins can be traced back to ancient Aztec methods of preserving fruit with salt and chilies. Over the centuries, chamoy has evolved. It has become a beloved ingredient in Mexican cuisine. From street food to snacks, chamoy adds a unique and irresistible twist. Section 6. Why everyone's going loco for these kits. So, why are chamoy pickle kits trending? For starters, they are visually appealing. The vibrant colors of the chamoy, chili powder, and tamarind candy are a feast for the eyes. The textures are also a big part of the appeal. The crunch of the pickle, the gooiness of the chamoy, and the chewiness of the tamarind candy create a symphony of textures. And let's not forget the satisfying ASMR crunch that echoes through social media feeds. Section 7. The sweet, spicy, crunchy verdict. The Chamoy Pickle Kit is more than just a snack. It's an experience. It's a flavor adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. The combination of sweet, spicy, sour, and crunchy is simply irresistible. If you're looking for a unique and flavorful snack, the Chamoy Pickle Kit is definitely worth trying. Section 8. Who should take the Chamoy Challenge? This flavor bomb is not for the faint of heart. It's for those who crave bold flavors and aren't afraid of a little heat. If you enjoy exploring new cuisines and love a good crunch, this kit is calling your name. It's also a fun activity for groups. Imagine gathering with friends, assembling your own flavor creations, and sharing the experience. Section 9. Final thoughts, a flavor adventure worth trying. The Chamoy Pickle Kit is a testament to the power of flavor. It's a reminder that food can be an adventure. It can be a celebration of culture and creativity. So what are you waiting for? Grab a kit, embrace the chaos, and embark on your own Chamoy Pickle adventure. You won't regret it.